Welcome to Polar Blasting Systems, your trusted partner in advanced cleaning solutions. We're here at a timber factory specializing in the manufacture of laminated timber beams. Glue and resin buildup on process equipment can compromise performance and efficiency. Using our innovative dry ice blasting technology, we're able to remove these tough residues with precision. This non-abrasive process ensures the equipment is thoroughly cleaned without causing any damage. Take a look at the before and after results, a clear demonstration of how effective dry ice blasting is at restoring equipment to peak condition. With Polar Blasting Systems, you can rely on an environmentally friendly cleaning solution that leaves no secondary waste, helping you maintain clean, efficient, and reliable operations. Polar Blasting Systems, where innovation meets performance. Contact us today to see how we can support your business.